This is how to make dollar bill fish origami. Feel free to grab a dollar bill to follow along. All you'll need is a single dollar bill. Step 1. Fold the bill halfway to create a crease in the middle. Step 2. Fold the left corners to make a point. Step 3. Flip the bill over and fold both of the top edges to create a point in the middle. Step 4. Flip the bill back over and extend the flaps. After that, you'll fold down the top to make a triangle, symbolizing the fishtail. Step 5. Fold the right side of the bill to meet the triangle point. This will be the fish body. Finally, step 6. Fold the bottom 2 corners up to meet at the crease. Flip it over, and there is your dollar bill fish origami.